Hey, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to be talking about how to varnish an oil painting using Krylon's Kamar Varnish. I saw Thomas Kincaid do this in a video. He was painting an acrylic and then he sprayed the acrylic with a fixative, a varnish, a sprayable varnish. I couldn't see what brand it was, but I started looking around. I'm like, this would be perfect, the Kamar Varnish. So I'm gonna varnish my oil painting with this. So all you need, obviously, the Kamar Varnish, a mask. I'm wearing gloves. I like to wear gloves if you see my other videos. A dry brush because I'm going to brush the painting off to make sure there's no hair, no dust on it or anything like that. So you want that. And a well-ventilated area. I was outside, but it started to rain. I do have a ventilation fan in my studio, but I do not want to do it inside, despite the fact that I have a fan. So, first things first, brush off the painting. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna wipe any dust and dirt off. I have a cat and she doesn't like hanging out in my studio. She prefers to be upstairs, but just in case you might have a cat or a dog, let's just get all that off of there. Any dust or dirt that has collected on your painting. All right. Shake your can up real good. I've been shaking it up ahead of time, so it should be ready to go. All right, we got the can shaken up real good, so let's varnish our painting using thin, even coats, okay? Don't concentrate the spray all in one area, so I'll show you here. Let's do it. Make sure you have your mask on. This is not good for your health. Okay, that's one layer. Looks good. Okay, pretty strong. Scent-wise, yeah, so have your mask on. Okay, do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. Now, Mr. Thomas Kincaid, he said that after he would spray varnish his painting, that he could paint over it with his oil paint. So he would paint an acrylic. Later in his career, he would use acrylic like he did in his film career, and then, like I said, varnish it, and then he would add the oil over top. So you can paint over the painting once it's been varnished. All right. So if you want to add any touch-ups or highlights, you can do that. So hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them and review more products. So if there's anything you want to see or know about, let me know and we'll see what we can do. And better yet, send me stuff and we'll get it reviewed and get it posted. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel down below. Click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. And y'all have a great day. Take care and we'll see you again soon. Peace. The Kamar Varnish does dry fairly quick, but I'm leaving it sitting here in the garage for a little while, about a half hour or so, a little bit longer, probably an hour because I'll be busy and forget, but just to be sure it is dry. So just keep that in mind because you want to make sure it is dry before you touch it, your painting, or pick it up so you don't get any fingerprints on it or any dirt or anything like that from your hands that could dry into the varnish and mess up your painting. So just be mindful of that, okay?